Spotify Camp Nou is now entering a truly exciting phase, with the transformation becoming more impressive as major structural and finishing work continues across the stadium. With the compression ring moving closer to completion, the VIP areas taking shape, and the stunning LED lighting now adding a new dimension to the facade, the stadium is beginning to reveal a much clearer vision of its final appearance. So, let's get started and take a closer look at the latest progress. Another important step is now taking shape around the compression ring, with this section fully prepared for the next installation phase. Between these 4 pillars, the 12 remaining compression ring boxes are ready to be fitted, while the radial beams, pillars, and formwork supports are already in position. These 12 boxes are among the smaller elements of the compression ring, and the installation process is already well established for the team. With everything prepared, this next step should not take long once their placement begins. A major change is now visible in the stadium's lighting setup, with the scaffolding positioned high on the 3rd tier. These structures support the stadium's lighting equipment, while their position also helps recover seats and keeps the lighting installation away from the main seating areas. The scaffolding is now positioned at the back of the 3rd tier, allowing more seats to remain available while keeping the lighting equipment less intrusive for spectators. The lateral side is revealing some exciting new details as work continues. The elevated platforms remain active, while the protective plastic is still covering the panels. The biggest update is the first anchors now appearing at VIP ring level. These are part of the initial stage for future finishing covers, with almost the entire lateral side now featuring these anchors, setting the stage for the next visible transformation. Another detail is emerging beneath the 3rd cantilever, where the first supports are now visible. These areas will accommodate drainage pipes, water pipes, and other services, just as seen beneath the 2nd cantilever, bringing this section closer to its next stage of completion. The diamond continues to be one of the main highlights, with many concrete blocks now rising all the way toward the roof. From another angle, the final line of blocks is also almost complete, with only a couple remaining in this section, while other parts of the wall continue to take shape and move toward the next phase of work. Another important stage is now becoming visible, with activity continuing around the walkways and mobility cores. Workers remain active on both sides, while the remaining sandwich panels and painting work are gradually bringing these areas closer to their finished appearance. The middle diamond is also showing clear progress, with its perimeter walls rising into place for the future curtain wall and glazing. Nearby, the TC4 tower crane is moving materials, while the stairs between the 2nd and 3rd cantilevers are being welded and prepared. Around the cores, platforms are supporting the next phase of work, with LED lighting also beginning to advance. With the sandwich panels and walkways already taking shape, the focus is now moving toward the superstructure and remaining anchors. Inside the VIP ring, the construction is moving into a more organized and refined stage. Materials are being unloaded across the 2 VIP levels, including panels that appear to be intended for the interior walls of the new VIP areas. Around the central south goal and VIP sections, workers are continuing with the mobility cores, where new sandwich panels are being installed along with in-situ work. One more panel is being fitted as we see the progress unfold, while the Zone 0 core remains the most advanced and gives us a clear idea of how the other cores will gradually develop. The north goal is now becoming an interesting area to watch, with new preparation work taking shape around the upper section. The activity appears to be connected to the LED lighting installation, with the green cable running toward the area above the ceramic slats, setting the stage for the lighting work to progress further. Up above, the area around the compression ring is also full of activity, as workers continue moving through the structure and installing protective mesh along the temporary railing. This railing is now extending across the lateral side and reaching the north goal, creating another visible step as work continues around this corner. A noticeable finishing touch is now visible at the access stairs to the stadium's premium areas. The stairs are fully paved, with the handrails and protective barrier in place, giving the entrance a cleaner and more elegant appearance. Overall, this area has evolved considerably and now provides a proper access to the VIP areas and the loggia. The other side is also freshly finished, with some moisture still visible from the recent work, but the final appearance should improve once everything is completely dry. This will serve as the access to the Nike Peach Club and the presidential loggia. The north goal corner is now showing some interesting activity, with a concrete pump working on the upper section and pouring concrete into the floor area of the cantilever. Below, several lifting platforms are also active, adding to the work taking place across this section. Further along, the mobility cores have made another clear step forward with the sandwich panels. New panels have been added, and only a small section remains, meaning this interior panel installation is now very close to completion. With the work continuing across the north goal corner and the final section of sandwich panels approaching completion, this area is steadily moving toward its next stage. The decorative ceramic lamellas have now entered an important new stage with their LED lighting system being tested at night. Dynamic lighting effects were visible across the lateral stand with moving blue-toned colors, creating a shifting effect across the facade rather than a static illumination. The LED fixtures are integrated behind the ceramic lamellas, allowing the entire facade to become a programmable lighting surface. Tests are still limited to certain sections, but they already show how the completed stadium exterior will be transformed during nighttime events and match days. In the south goal, a large number of decorative lamella are already installed, and the ailes fixtures have also been positioned behind them. However, unlike the lateral stand, the dynamic lighting effects have not yet been activated here. This indicates that the physical installation of the lighting system is progressing ahead of the full testing phase, with further commissioning still required across the remaining sections. Work is continuing inside the future commercial spaces along Travessera degli Courts, with the interior areas now clearly visible through the completed facade openings. The diamond structure connecting the south goal and lateral stand also has interior lighting in part of the space, giving a clearer view of the rooms and their current condition. These areas are gradually moving from structural construction toward interior fit-out and final commercial use. And finally, from this north goal corner, we get a spectacular panoramic view across the stadium, revealing just how much the transformation has advanced. The compression ring has made remarkable progress, with only the 12 remaining boxes still to be installed, meaning the structure is now almost completely assembled. And that's the latest look at the incredible transformation of Spotify Camp Nou. With the compression ring nearing completion and new finishing details appearing across the stadium, the final vision is becoming clearer with every update. There is still plenty more to come as the work continues, so stay tuned for the next chapter of this incredible transformation. Thank you for watching, stay positive, and see you in the next video.